Picture this, you're live on stream and the crowd's going wild. Your secret? The VSDINSIDE Macro Keypad. This is the ultimate game changer for streamers, gamers, and content creators. Why? Let's talk about those 18 programmable keys. Yes, 18. Imagine launching apps faster or executing game combos like a ninja. These keys aren't just buttons, they're 15 visual LCD keys plus 3 magic touch buttons. Customize each with your own images or animated GIFs. Want to switch scenes in OBS with a touch? Done. Need to launch Photoshop in seconds? Easy peasy. It's as if this device was forged in the productivity heavens. And don't get me started on the plugins, clock, weather, reminders. Compatible with Windows and Mac OS, it's a universal superstar. Professionals rave about its efficiency. Gamers laud its speed, pure joy. Feeling the FOMO yet? Tap the link below to elevate your setup. You deserve the boost in efficiency and fun, and grab yours now.